Okay, we have the Sony Bravia TV here and just started experiencing this problem. The problem is when you hit input and you want to select either digital or Roku, it's not working. It just acts like you didn't push anything. Right? See the problem? So I've already unplugged the Roku, plugged it back in, powered it off, powered it on, to no avail. So now I'm going to try and find a solution to this problem. What notifications do you have? No, that's not it. Inputs. No, that didn't work. It's like it froze. What the heck? Let's try this device restart. Restart. Just do a complete restart. Let's try a restart, see what happens. So this was not turning off this TV, this was actually going through the settings to restart the TV. So I was doing the long boot up. Very long boot up. Hopefully this works just by, oh, all right, yeah, it's taking a while. Let's see. All right, so let's see if this works. I'm gonna hit input. TV might still be booting. Input. All right, oops, disappeared. I hit it too many times. Oh, goodness gracious, there we go. What's wrong with this TV? All right, there's the Roku. See if that works. TV is slow. Oh, I wonder if my Roku's... Yep, that worked. Okay. Oops. Look, it kicked us out. Bravia TV does this. Likes to kick you out if it's not all the way booted up. I don't know if it's doing updates or what. All right, but it actually went almost to Roku. Let's try it again. All right, so it's like still doing whatever behind the scenes updates or something. Oh my gosh, is it not working again? Okay, it works now. Yay! Wow, that took forever. Sorry, guys. So this is our Roku. Yeah, so input wasn't working. When I would click input, none of that was working. So what I did to go back to the home page. Well, you'll probably be stuck on the home page. But while you're at the home page here, what you're gonna wanna do is go up to the settings, which is the icon up here. We got home, live, shop, apps, settings. So go to settings. You're going to want to go to device preferences. Scroll all the way down and hit restart, and then hit restart again. For whatever reason, it resets the settings on the Bravia TV for the input, and that's what worked for us. Thanks. Bye.